Hello, guys. Welcome back to Crypto Real with Anne. So today is January 16th, 2025. Um, Thursday, time check 8:30 p.m. And yun na nga ang nangyari. We are trying to break a resistance here at around, let's check, at 1.9. So again, this is Cardano, one of my favorite coins. And I think I've mentioned last time, meron tayong support here at around 0.90 area. Ito, but medyo bumaba tayo last time. Pinaka-lowest natin at around, I think, pumalo to ng 83.82 cents. And then, yun na nga, nasa ano tayo, symmetrical um, triangle. And are we going to break this triangle? Doon tayo, yun yung pinaka-inaabangan talaga ng lahat. Actually, sa lahat ng coins, not just Cardano. So, there is a resistance at around, okay, so 1 point, let's check, 1.9. If you break this resistance, will go as high as 1.15. If you break that 1.15, that's another story. Okay, so let's go with other coins here. I think I've mentioned Doge before, so let's go with Doge. Okay, Doge is at 0.38. Currently, it's at 0.38, 416. Lumagpas tayo dun sa triangle na ginawa ko last time. So, is this a good sign? Let's find out if Doge will break the resistance at 0.39. 0.39 yung pinaka-resistance natin. So, let's go with the Stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI pataas. RSI is good. Not so much volume. This is the one-day chart. Let's go back to Cardano. What's the status of Cardano when it comes to the Stochastic RSI? Stochastic RSI, let's check the one-day chart. Yes, good here. Very, very good yung Stochastic RSI pataas. Same thing with RSI. Let's check the Bollinger Band. So for the Bollinger Band, yun nga, meron talaga tayong resistance at around 1.14, 1.15. Let's go with the EMA. EMA, yes, yun. Inabangan talagang sinusundo talaga tayo ng point, not EMA. Is this EMA? Yes, EMA 50, sinusundan talaga tayo or papalapit ng papalapit yung EMA 50. Let's go with MA. Yun, meron tayong support sa MA at around which area? MA is at $1. Okay, so let's go back to, by the way guys, I think I've mentioned about Sol. Sol is very, very good kasi pinaka-last natin dito was, let me just show you guys a chart that I did a long time ago. So ito yung chart ko kay Solana. Ang napansin ko dito para siya nagpo-form ng, ito yung form ng left shoulder, ito yung head. Okay, ito yung head, ito yung pinakataas. Pero if we break or kung mas umangat pa si Solana higher than this 264, we might not form. I'm not sure kung magpo-form to ng M pattern or magpo-form to ng head and shoulder. We need to wait for a few more days. Okay? As far as I can see, MA or stochastic RSI niya nasa baba. Very, very good. Same thing with RSI. Let's check the Bollinger Band. Let's go with the day chart. So, one day chart, meron tayong resistance here at around, this is again guys, this is not financial advice. This is just my own, okay, chart. I'm just basing it sa nakikita ko sa chart and indicators na ginagamit ko. Stochastic RSI, pataas. Ang ganda ng Stochastic RSI.